We got a male.
We got a male crab, 5 inches.
Yeah.
Very nice.
He's going in the bucket with the female. Whoa.
That's a 7-inch crab.
I just caught a 7-inch crab. Oh my God.
I mean, here's my 4.5-inch Jersey measurer. And it stops there. So I'm gonna say we have at least another 2.5 inches, right? It's a 7-inch crab.
I need to hold this one.
Oh yeah.
How am I gonna hold this?
I'll get him for you.
Don't let it go. Oh my God, don't let it go. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Wow. Freaking 7-inch crab.
I'll get his legs out. I'll get his legs out if you...
Okay, I got him.
You sure you got him? Joe, you got him? You sure?
I'll get him out.
I'm nervous. This one is giant.
Yep. 7-inch crab, baby. Woohoo! That's a giant.
Another big one.
Damn, he's missing a claw, but he's huge. The crabs are bigger down here, guys.
So the males right here have bluer claws and the females have red claws. And they also have, the males have the Washington Monument underneath of it, right here. And the female is more around it. So that's also another way you could tell if it's a male or a female. In Virginia, the males have to be 5 inches and the females don't have to be.
My 4.5-inch gauge.
Bigger than that.
I'm gonna call that a 5-inch crab all day.
Yep. We just wanted to show you the difference between the female. The female has more of a round body underneath there. The male has the Washington Monument.
And the red claws.
And the red claws. That's how you can tell a female. Okay, guys. We have a crab on this line, and I just want to show you how we actually crab. We do not crab with nets or traps or any of that stuff. We actually just crab with hand lines and chicken or fish.
Oh, the fishing rod has one on it too.
Oh shoot. We just pull it up slowly.
The husband gets the net ready.
And we just pull it up slow. I don't feel like kicking it much, but it's a little one. So it's just a little one, but still we just showed you how we did it.
Yep.
We wanted to, look how little. The little ones like to hang on long time. We got a big one here. Don't drop it in the water. Oh shit, I just let go. No, I let go of this. It's still there. boy. Oh, it's not that big.
It's decent though.
How big though?
Probably a keeper.
Probably is a keeper.
Yep. It's a pretty heavy crab.
Ooh, I love that. Ah, there he goes.
We got a few in there.
Yep. You want to measure the one?
Crabs are in the pot. We boil them for about 10 minutes until they're nice and red. Then we know they're done. Like my face, nice and red. It's too hot to hold it right now. We're gonna let them cool off. I'm gonna clean them, and then I'm gonna mix the crab meat with a bunch of ingredients. I'll show you guys how I do it. Stay tuned. Yeah, this one's legit 6.5.
Move your hand.
Legit 6.5-inch crab, so they're great size down here. They're gonna be great in a crab cake, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna show you how I clean them and how I make them. You're gonna love it. So a lot of people will take the crab and go here and pull the top shell off. And there's a lot of innards in there and lungs, and I don't mess with that. I turn the crab upside down like this, and I take my fork, I stick it in here. You pop the bottom open, and you can see all the meat just comes right out. So I take my fork, stick it right in here, just pop it, and the meat comes right out. See all the meat? It's all crab meat right there. You just take it with your hand. All crab meat. It comes right out the bottom. You don't have to mess with any of the top of the crab. See all the meat? It's all back fin. It's right out, real easy. That's what I do, guys. Take your fork. Oh. Oops. Take your fork, just stick it right in here. Pop it. Take the shell right off. The other shell comes right off. Pop it here. Shell comes right off. And you have all your crab meat right in here. See what I'm saying underneath? It's all your back fin right there. Take your hand, pull it right out. That's all lump crab meat. See that? They call that back fin lump crab meat. I save all that stuff. That's for the, and then you just take your legs. All your meat's right here in the back. That way you don't have to mess with any of the innards or hoses or any of that crap. You've got all your crab meat. It comes right out of the bottom of the crab. Try it, guys, next time. You might like it. So I have a bunch of crab meat here. Take some mayonnaise.
Uh-oh, do I have to get you more mayonnaise?
I think we have some. We have enough. It's just enough for one crab cake, so you don't need that much.
How many crabs does it take to make one crab cake?
About 3. 3 of the big
Whoa.
ones, maybe 4 or 5 of the smaller.
That's crazy.
Just regular yellow mustard. A little bit, not too much. Black pepper.
Salt's right there.
A little bit of this Old Bay blackened seasoning, which is, you could use regular Old Bay too, but I like this blackened one. Just a little bit, not much. And, believe it or not, 1 egg. I just take a fork, blend it all together. Get all the flavors together. It's mostly crab. And then I take a piece of bread. The end is preferred because it's dry. Crumble it up. Really fine. Mix it some more. Keep folding that up. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. This is the way I make my crab cakes. I don't know what anybody else does, but this is the way I do it. It's just a big, basically it's like a blob. And then I take some oil, heat it up in the pan and fry it until it's crispy on the outside. And then I just put it on a roll with a piece of tomato. It's amazing.
Huh? I can see that cake, but can't see it.
Then we take a couple of rolls. Oh, oh.
That's a big crab cake.
I tell you what, guys, go to a restaurant and pay 30 bucks for a real crab cake. You're not gonna get this at a restaurant, sorry. That's a real crab cake. Compared to the bun, yeah.
Don't fall.
That's all crab. Amazing.
We enjoyed our time crabbing on the Rappahannock River. We caught some giants and Joe enjoyed a homemade crab cake. Join us next week as we go shark tooth hunting and fishing on the Potomac River. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like and comment on our video. We are so happy to have you along for the ride. Thanks for watching.
I have to tell you guys that some crabs were harmed in the making of this video.
Time to go back.